Hello my fellow investors, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having an amazing day today. Today's video we're going to be going over the dividends I received for the month of October. I know the month of October is not done yet. However, I checked all the ex-dividend dates from all the stocks that I'm holding and they all have passed already. So these are all the dividends I'm going to be receiving for the month of October. All right guys, I apologize for the long wait between videos. Had a lot of things going on. Currently in the master's program for my MBA in finance. Just got back from a trip in Huatulco with the family. All right guys, so here we go. Here are the dividends here. So I believe it's a total of 35 for this month, maybe out by one or two, but here we go. So starting off with dividends from iShares Core High Dividend Equity Fund and then so forth. All right, so I'm just going to go through them really quickly. Don't want to take up much of your time. As you can see here guys, remember consistency and automatic reinvestment into these stocks, guys. Your dividends just keep getting larger and larger, and it provides you with the compounding effect. All right, remember the compounding effect is the number one thing that'll build your wealth over time. So you want to make sure that you get started with that as soon as possible. All right, so as you can see here, there's some of the dividends. All right, these are the ones that are pending. All right, for October. So some of them are already coming in for November. However, I'm going to be posting an update in the November video. I don't want to disclose all the dividends here because there's still a lot of ex-dividend dates that are coming up within the next week or so that I get paid in either November or starting December. All right, guys. All right, so a total of 35 dividends. All right, guys. So yeah, I don't want to take up much more of your time. Just wanted to provide you a little update on the dividends I'm going to be receiving for the month of October. And remember, consistently investing in the stock market and reinvesting those dividends gets you the compounding effect. That's what's going to give you the ultimate wealth generator for future returns. All right guys, if you guys like this video, go ahead and hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. That way we can share information with as many investors as possible and help them as well as yourselves create financial freedom so that you never have to worry about money again. Thanks guys for the support on the channel. I'll catch you guys on the next video.